Yes. Yes, beta, it was a technical problem over here. Fine. So, dear students, we say that carbon dioxide. Okay, we are giving carbon dioxide, and what do the plants do? Very good. They inhale carbon dioxide and they gives out oxygen, which is our requirement, right? So what the people are doing? People are cutting the trees like anything. It means we people are doing deforestation. हम plants cut कर रहे हैं जो plants हमारे लिए बहुत helpful थे उसको ही हम cut कर रहे हैं. तो number one, increasing population. Number two, deforestation. These are the two main things over here which is increasing the amount of carbon dioxide. On number three, my dear students, that is, on number three, there is, dear students, please mute your mic. On number three, we have the number of factories and industries. My dear students, let me tell you, factories, industries, vehicles, there is nothing which is running without fuel. ऐसी कोई इंडस्ट्री ऐसे कोई प्लांट नहीं है जो फ्यूल के बिना चलता हो एंड फ्यूल्स आर अल्टीमेटली गोइंग टू रिलीज carbon dioxide. So these are all activities which are increasing the level of carbon dioxide. Now let me tell you, if carbon dioxide is increased, greenhouse will also increase. Greenhouse is increasing, temperature is increasing, and this condition is known as global warming. My dear students, the average temperature of the earth surface is gradually increasing, and this is called global warming. So my dear students, we need to understand the definition of greenhouse effect also, and you have to remember the definition of global warming also. Okay, other than कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के अलावा ऐसा कौन से गैसेस है जो ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट करवाते हैं? सो दोज आर मीथेन, nitrous oxide and water vapor, which is clearly given over here, which you can also note down. That is, other gases like methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor. These are also contributing towards the greenhouse effect, my dear students. Okay, global warming has become a major concern for the government worldwide. Many countries have reached an agreement to reduce the emission of greenhouse. The Kyoto Protocol is one such agreement. So, my dear students, nowadays what the people are doing means the country, those government, they are sitting together, they are making a team and they are working on such a kind of the problems. Okay, so they are making an agreement which is in the favor to reduce such a kind of the problems. Bujo is surprised to hear that an increase in the earth temperature by even as little as 0.5 degrees Celsius can have such a serious effect. Okay, Paheli tells him that she has read in the newspaper recently that Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas has started melting because of global warming. So my dear students, when the temperature is increasing, what will happen? It will ultimately, yes, it is ultimately going to melt the glaciers, and my dear students, the sea level will rise, the water body, the level is going to rise, and it is going to create the condition known as floods. Okay, so it is going to have the natural calamities like natural disasters are going to take place. My dear students, in class 7th you have studied about, in the physics you have studied about the how the storms are formed, how the cyclones are occurring. That is because of uneven heating of earth. Okay, so ultimately what we are doing, our activities, our human activities are disturbing the environment, and in return we people are getting disturbed. Getting? So we have to take care of our environment, of our surrounding. Okay, till here, is there anyone having any doubt, any confusion? Okay, so my dear student, that is, we have completed with the greenhouse effect and global warming. These are the two important things which we have completed. Next to this, let us talk about what can be done. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? I would like to get the answers from you people one by one. First of all, I'll just give the chance. Just raise your hand, those who want to give the answer. That what can be done in order to prevent or in order to reduce the air pollution. Yes, Matadar Aisha. Okay, very good. I really appreciate Matadar Aisha. She gave me one of the very good, very appreciable point of view over here. That is, we can go for afforestation. हम forestation की तरफ बढ़े, हम deforestation को मना कर दे. We should not go for cutting the trees. In fact, we are killing the trees. We should not go for doing this. In fact, let me tell you, my dear students, today our country is facing the very critical situation, that is COVID-19, and people are literally in the need of the oxygen. Till now, we have studied in our books that trees are our best friend. We should take care about the trees. But today, it is naturally demanding the care. Because which we have not taken the care, today the condition is getting worse, isn't it? The oxygen which we were getting at free of cost, we didn't value that. At the place now, we are paying large amount of money in order to get the cylinders, isn't it? So we mean to say that the things which are free of cost, we should not, like, we are not bothering about it. We should take care even about that things, because when it will start taking the cost, my dear, we will be not able to go for affording it. It is going to be very difficult for us, isn't it? So I want you people, as you people are a coming generation, you people are growing up, you people should come up with such a kind of the ideas, such a kind of modifications which could change the scenario of the society, which could help the human generation getting. So very good, we should go for planting the trees. Also, we should take care about the various occasions, as Matadar Aisha gave me the answer over here, that at particular occasions, instead of huge celebrations and wasting money, we can go for doing small activities which are much better in the way. Very correct. Let us go with the another student over here. Yes, Muskan. Yes, beta, very correct. So Muskan gave me the another point of view over here, that we can go with the use of vehicles with a eco-friendly fuel. हम eco-friendly fuel भी use कर सकते हैं जिससे pollution कम से कम हो. Okay, let me tell you one more important thing. CNG and LPG भी कुछ हद तक पॉल्यूटिंग है. ऐसा कोई फ्यूल नहीं है जो completely eco friendly हो, which is not creating the pollution at all. But yes, we can switch on to such a kind of the fuels which are least polluting. Yes. Yes, Matadar Aisha wants to say something. Yes, beta. Yes, very good. We should also stop dumping the garbage here and there. When we are dumping the garbage, ultimately we are going to burn it at some point. हम जो गार्बेज कलेक्ट होता है उसको कोई ना कोई जगह पर तो हम उसको बर्निंग का ही ऑप्शन ले जाते हैं, एंड व्हेन वी आर बर्निंग इट, इट इज अल्टीमेटली रिलीजिंग द gaseous pollutant, and it is creating our environment, it is affecting our environment. So my dear students, that is also one of the correct point of view over here, that we should not go for dumping the garbage here and there. It is ultimately going to create air pollution, it is ultimately going to create water pollution. Okay, so that's correct, right? Is there anyone else who would like to give any point of view over here? Yes, Patel Rauha. Very, very correct and very appreciable. I'm really very happy that my class students are giving me so very nicely response over here, that drive only or use the vehicle only when needed, because nowadays you people know that generally I'm not targeting any particular category over here, but there are boys also, there are girls also, those who are roaming outside without any need. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस सिर्फ घूमने निकल जाते हैं, व्हीकल लेकर घूमते रहते हैं, पेट्रोल यूज़ कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे पैसे भी बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, ऊपर से एयर पॉल्यूशन भी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, go only when it is needed. Okay, so that is also very correct point over here. Yes, Matada Raisha wants to say something again. Yes, beta, very correct. My dear students, for smallest distance, even you see nowadays the generation is so much lazy. The people are not trained to walk. हम जिम जाने की कोशिश करते हैं बॉडी का प्रॉपर मेंटेन करने के लिए, बट हम चलने से मना करते हैं. सो व्हेन देयर आर द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस यू कैन गो बाय वॉकिंग रादर देन यूजिंग द व्हीकल. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वेरी करेक्ट वी कैन से decision, or we can say a very correct tips which we can go with the use over here. I could suggest one more over here. We can celebrate bus day, we can celebrate cycle day, isn't it? Instead of using our private vehicles, and like suppose 5 members are there, 5 members will be using 5 different vehicles, rather than cannot we use one vehicle over there wherever possible, not always, because people would go at the different places. So wherever possible, people can go together in one particular vehicle, so you can reduce the amount of the fuels over here. Yes, yes, Rauha, would you like to say something? Okay. So, dear, when we talk about the pollution which is created by the factories and industries, that is to be a point, but it is bit difficult, because the treatment which is given to the gaseous particles, it is at the higher cost over there. So, government should take certain steps in order to overcome this problem. They should have certain rules for the factories and industries before they release the smoke from the chimneys. Okay, so that can be done. Yes, Aisha. Yes. So, my dear, that will be the point of the water pollution, and that we will be discussing in the next part over here. Just now we are talking about the air pollution. So, my dear students, these are all the points wherein we can talk about how we can overcome the air pollution. And I'm really very happy that the way you people participated and you people give me the answer. Thank you very much, all my dear students.